Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Bombay Lakdi. Ingredients for Bombay Lakdi: 1 cup of wheat flour, half cup of sugar, around 2 tablespoons of butter, pinch of salt and required oil to deep fry. We are going to grind the sugar as a powder in blender. We are going to melt the butter. So because we have taken out from fridge, it's little bit hot, so we have to melt the butter. We're going to add the wheat flour in the mixing bowl, sugar, pinch of salt, and melted butter. So we have to make a dough as chapathi dough, more or less, but it should be soft. So we are making the dough ready. Add little water, then mix it, then again you have to add the water. So you have to add little by little. So we have to make the dough like this. The dough is soft. Keep the pan. Add the oil to fry. Switch on the flame. So let the oil become hot. Keep the flame in medium. So we have to make the dough into 2 pieces because we are going to roll in chapathi table. So it is too small for this quantity, so we are making as 2 equal portions. So we are going to roll this one. The height should be less than ½ inch. We're going to cut this one like this. Have to grease the knife while cutting, otherwise it will stick in the dough. So for that one you have to grease the knife. You can cut into small pieces like this. So we are doing the second half. First half we have done and kept ready. So we are doing the second half now. To cut into small pieces like this. Going to start frying Bombay Lakdi. See, the flame should be in medium. So if you are keeping it in full flame, the outside will fry and the inside will not be cooked properly. So you have to keep in medium flame. You can see the golden brown color. So this is very easy to prepare. You can prepare within no time. If everything is there, you can prepare this one. Children will definitely like this one. This thing, but it's a good snack along with coffee or tea in the evening. So the color changed. We're going to remove from the oil the fried ones. So nice color. So don't increase the flame. Nice color it is. So we are removing this one from the oil. It's got fried. If it get cooled, it will get crunchy more. Bombay Lakdi from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.